stay 6 feet apart. Hey! Thank you. So glad to be here. Advent Health. That's what Universal uses too. And now this was supposed to open at 10 o'clock, but I guess people started showing up and they're like, yeah, whatever. Unlike Universal, which they held people until exactly 4 o'clock, which is fine. But so that means I probably should have gotten here sooner, but here I am. Oh yes, the old elevator. Oh yes, the old escalator fake crane shot. Okay, enough of that. Ooh, doggy. Yes, obviously I know it's a working dog. Now I was kind of expecting to see these remote washing stations at Universal, but haven't seen them yet, at least not at City Walk. There's Channel 6. I'm not gonna be able to focus on it, but there's Channel 6 and their puny little helicopter. Dad joke alert. Uh-oh. Johnny was gonna open, but he isn't. More construction. Always at Disney Springs construction. Work walls. And got another helicopter flying around up there. Some guy walking around in the springs. Look at the dock there, I never noticed that before. And of course you have work walls. Guess not all construction was suspended at Disney. My understanding is it is suspended in the parks. The helicopters are starting to come in. Now we have 3. I guess it's only 2. I'm sure more will come later. I think there are 4, at least 4 over Universal and City Walk reopened. They're starting to come down. The helicopter's starting to move in. I do have a new channel called Still Rated where I rate pet toys, pet products, mostly dogs. Occasional cat product, possibly, but emphasis on dogs. Professional photographer. Being very, very picky about what they're doing. Here are the actual doors and the decorative ones. As you would expect, honey in various containers. And also copywritten music. Ready for the restrooms. No. Oh, hey Brandy, the wrench warrior is in the house. I have to go back and remind myself what used to be here, because this is a big space. Obviously something else was here. At one point, right before I moved here, Disney Springs expanded significantly. I found a list at home of things that were open, and I tried to, oh, well, this isn't. Tried to pull it up on my phone, but I couldn't get it. For some weird reason, it seems like a weird limitation. Dougie. Yes, I know, it's a service dog or a working dog. I haven't been here since the store had opened, and I just assumed that they were finished building it by now. Another new store. Wow. believe this is the same thing that they have over at the Boardwalk, the Creamery. In that case, it's pretty good. It's not amazing. Now, I did watch a couple of live streams on demand from the City Walk opening to see if maybe other people did something more interesting than I did in live streams. No. There's literally one live stream where someone was eating, sitting at the table with their phone placed down on the table. I mean, yeah, it was more stable than mine, but not at all interesting. Heck yeah, every day is Halloween. Oh, I gotta show you this. So, if these people could move. How's this for contradictory? Sorry, we are closed. Enter here. If you weren't here for the, of course nobody else is here yet, but if you weren't here for my Universal live stream, this screen is very hard to see, so I'll do my best. Do my best, do my best. Oh man, 2 minutes in and we already have a bad dad joke. That's not a good indication. See, they're doing it too. Hopefully I won't be a whiny old man about my back. Oh, my back. Oh, wait. Huh. That's funny. I'm seeing Brandy commenting, but I'm seeing 0 on the people watching. I'm confused. I'm a confused old man. Oh. Apologies to those who joined me on my first stream. It started before I was ready. You know, that's what killed Houdini, is he got punched before he was ready. Nobody punched me, thankfully. But, well, I did it to myself. I hit the go live button by accident when I was fumbling with the phone trying to figure out why it wouldn't stabilize. There's a line for a photo op without even any characters. Okay. For your safety, please stand behind this line. And as you're standing here, you'll realize the store's not open. Ice cold beer here. Ice cold beer here. See how this goes. Look, umbrellas. Oops. Sorry, guys. Ooh, 11. Hey, this stream goes to 11. That joke. Bunch of letters. For land aid. As you can see on the floor, markings for social distancing. Okay, don't back into the breakable items. This might be a live exclusive here in this store because this might be getting cut out of the video. So if you're enjoying the stream, smash that like button. Or you can leave. You know, you can do that too. Sepia. Cool, I guess. Guess you either are into that stuff or you're not. This guy, yeah. Seems like you're trying to help. Alright, I'm not going to buy anything, so I'm just going to let other people come in. Sold soap. No? Let's see. Figured a soap store would have to be open. Yeah, I haven't heard that all day. Oh boy, here's another store with, I guess they're all gonna be. Guess they're all gonna have copywritten music. Come on, Wi-Fi. All right, sorry about that. Technology, live streaming technology. So, yep, this place again, as you see, is open. I like their presentation here. First, I'm gonna have to get this one. Why? Because it's purple. All right, get a little more interesting of a shot than that. Here's another claim here. So this is probably also going to be a live stream exclusive, because if I get claimed, this is going to get cut out of the video. Look at these little things. They almost look like candy. Thanks for watching the stream, and please exit through the gift shop.